What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the BLU Vivo X6. Alright, so I'm definitely excited to check this phone out, and if you've never used a BLU phone before, these are basically budget phones, and they're very nice budget phones. They can sell anywhere from like 80 to 200 bucks. Now, as I'm getting into this, I'll have a link in both the description and comments if you guys want to check out the latest prices for this one on Amazon. But the cool thing about this phone too is that they, have the specs on the back here. So I'm going to kind of run down a little bit on the specs, but it's got a 6.1 inch HD Infinity display, so you're looking at kind of like the same size display as an iPhone XR and iPhone 11. It's got a octa-core 1.6 gigahertz processor, so I'm gonna have to run some high graphic games on this phone to see if it can take it. Camera wise, you're gonna get a 13 megapixel back camera and then a 13 megapixel front facing selfie camera. So camera wise, definitely not too bad. This phone can also record in 1080p, and then internal storage, you're looking at 64 gigs, which is pretty good. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor, but anyways, let's get it out of the box. Let's take a look at it, and let's do our thing here. All right, we'll take a look at the phone in just a second. I want to kind of take a look at what's in the box, but box design on this phone, definitely nice. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, I totally forgot about this. You actually have to put the battery in this phone. How crazy is that? It's been a long time since I've had to do that, but anyways, you get the charger. Looks like you get some headphones here, and I think there's what is this, like a little manual, cool, on how to use the phone. But let's actually take a look at the phone, right? And let's take a look at this massive battery. So I'm sure you guys remember the days of having to put batteries in phones, but obviously nowadays, they just want you to replace your phone by sending it in, so you can't really replace batteries anymore. Anyways, let's take a look at this phone. Oh, dang, this thing looks nice. Okay, anyways, this actually comes in only this color, this phone. So sometimes BLU will, sell their phones in either like black or blue, but this is a BLU only color phone. And let me just try to take a look here where you gotta pry this thing off of. So it should be on the, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so it's gonna be on the bottom right hand corner of the phone to get this, this basically taken off. All right, not too difficult though once you get it off. All right, so let's put the battery in this thing, and yeah, like I said, it's kind of crazy. It's been such a long time since I've had to like put a battery in a phone. So let me see if I got that in right. I think I did. All right, let's try to turn it on. Oh dang, I did it. All right, nice, guys. How cool is that? Like I said, that battery is pretty massive too. It's just been a long time since I've had to put a battery in a phone. Now, just to remind you, to do that, to get it like unnotched, it is in the bottom right hand corner, but it comes off pretty easy, like once you get things going. All right, so I'm gonna try to just kind of skip out of all this stuff so we can kind of get it to the home screen. All right, let's keep it going here. Let's keep skipping it. Skip that too. We should almost be at the home screen by now. All right, so I don't even think I mentioned, I might have mentioned, but this phone does cost 110 bucks currently. But I can tell you the design on it's nice, and it looks like you're gonna get most of the phone. There's not really too much of a notch on either the bottom or top, so you get most of the display on here. All right, looks like it's trying to get us in. It's taking a second. All right, let's keep it going here. And you're gonna like let me get, all right, there we go. All right, cool. I gotta tell you too, the background on these phones is always pretty sweet. And this one's got like a kind of like a cool looking purple theme to it. But it's pretty sweet. All right, anyways, you guys, gonna be doing obviously a few videos with this. I'm gonna check out the gaming video quality on it once I get it set up. But like as far as the design, the phone's pretty lightweight, so I mean it's easy to you know, carry around. There's not too much weight to it. The fact that you have to put the battery in it, like I said, that kind of just reminds me of the old days, but whatever, it's not a big deal. Yeah, that's it. So anyways, you guys, feel free to comment below if you have any questions about this phone. You know, we'll get some more content out on it very soon. If you guys could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.